I went from sick and suffering to healthy and happy. What I found is that health is wealth, and for me to keep it, I need to give it away. I'm Dan Schaefer, and this is my Gratitude in Motion. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about what I do for my morning meditation. I do this every single day, and it only takes 5 minutes. It's super easy, and it helps set the tone for the rest of the day. You'll hear a lot of people say to do all sorts of things first thing in the morning. Before this, I definitely drink a full glass of water, sometimes two, and I take a handful of supplements, and then I get right to my meditation. It only takes 5 minutes. It's very simple. You don't have to overcomplicate meditation. And it's essentially a breathing exercise. So the way that it goes is you inhale for 5 seconds and exhale for 5 seconds. And I try to do that for 5 minutes. I just do a count in my head. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5. If 5 seconds is too long for you, then cut it down to 3 or 2. If 5 seconds is too short for you, you can bring it up to 6 or 8 or 10. The idea is to slow down your breathing and to observe your breath. And so there's really two methods of breathing. The first is observing the breath. Are you coming in through your stomach or through the top of your chest? Can you feel the breath going through your nose or your mouth? And by the way, it doesn't make a difference, whatever you're more comfortable doing. I like to go through my nose because I make a general habit of always breathing through my nose if I can. It's interesting, humans are the only species that breathe through our mouths. If you look at a dog, like they breathe through their nose unless they're panting, or any other animal. The oxygen is intake more easily through the nose, and it's more readily available. And we make all kinds of other gases. That could be an entirely other video just about nose breathing. In any event, that's the morning meditation. So set a timer on your phone. In 5 seconds, out 5 seconds. Super simple. And you can do this every single day. It only takes 5 minutes. You don't have to do it in the morning. You could do it throughout the day as a quick reset. This particular meditation has been shown to lower your heart rate. So if you're feeling stressed out and you just need a moment to regroup yourself, this is a really good way to do it. So try it out. Let me know what you think, and I hope this helps you.